Welcome to the Cactus Amy Dosia, and I've been this boy boss. This is boys. Your skate is a 5, 4, 6. Open. My dad's gonna open for Amy Dosia wants to do practice here. Of Patrick so fire skate of the skate boys of flying side soap. How about this? Wait, it's my new bracelet. It's my new bracelet. So this is how we did practice. Let me go here. And this is let's open this big egg. And it is, but let's open it. It's a probably I don't know. Can open. Addy. Welcome to Amy Dosia. This yours is pretty big. About cereal. Like this. And the other doesn't cut the city. This is the one with good pool skate. And this one up in this one skate. One big egg. Did you see this egg? It's big egg. Super Mario egg. And this is him. No one. I think Super Mario. Of Monsters Contain. And this is the fire skate. And which was of Hurry. Did you know what I say? It's this blue monster. And this is that blue monster. This is the all we had in running. This is all the we of didn't practice here. 1 second, we're gonna clean up this forming to this other and clean up this place. Then we skate to 190, 170 above.
Where?
Found it.
Oh.
Amy Dosia AO5 is AH boy because it's the tiger. Amy Dosia didn't practice all done. Bye bye.